Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra Namdev. I am a student of BTech Computer Science and Engineering in third year in GSIT Indore. So my college assigned to this smallest task project. Project name is merge Excel file more than two, and those Excel file merge merge after that. It is a download in your PC or phone. So in this project, I have to use HTML for structure, CSS for designing, and Python for backend, and JavaScript for uploading a file. So that is my static folder. So firstly, I used to make this static folder. In the static folder, in a style.css. So that is my CSS file. That is my CSS file. So and in the template folder. In the template folder I have to make this index.html. That is my html. This is this is my html, and we are make this merge excel files for a container, and script is used to this document get element upload form add eventlet submit. So that is a used for javascript, and it is my app.py. So that is my python code, python file app.py. So now to explain step by step. So that is my app.py merge file. So there is also see the input flags, input flags random tablet request send file, import pandas as pd from io input.byte.io. So that is a import necessary libraries flags for framework to create the web application. Flags is used to create a web application. A random template is the html template for the front end, and that is a random template is used to a random template is used to a html template for a front end. Okay, next, request. What is a request? Request is a handle incoming https request, incoming http request. For example, file upload. Right now, for example, file upload, and that is a send file. So what is the meaning of send file? Send file is a HTTP response to download. It is a response to download and file. And import pandas as PD. So pandas were used for handle manipulation Excel files. Pandas is used for a manipulation Excel files. And in the last libraries is white IO. So white IO, what is the white IO? White IO is a memory like pro object for a temporary storing the merge Excel file. Right now, in a memory like a object for a temporary storing the merge Excel file. You are the using the storing to merge Excel file. Initialize flags application. So app equal to flags name. So create a instance of flags application. It is used to create a instance for flags application, and define root. So app.root. It is a defined root for when I used to visit a root URL, and when a root to visit a URL, it is a index template is ended. It is a random template for this index.html. So it is a call the HTML random template for a request. Index.html. What is the index.html? Should contain the form of upload Excel file. So it is the index.html is also used the um, should contain form upload Excel file where you can upload the Excel file. It is a index.html. Now, app.root merge method post. So what is this? Also explain that. So this is a root handle, the file upload and merging logic right now, and it only accept post request which typically involve from submission with files. Now that dep merge file is used to only a step post request, which typically involve from the submission with file. Then now the files. So now the files equal to request.file and get list methods and files. So request file get list file. That is a I now explain that that there is there is request dot file get list file. So it is a retrieve a list of upload file with the key of file. It is a retrieve a list of upload file with the key of file, and that is a data frame. Data frame, it is empty. Why use to empty in data frame? Empty list to store panda data frame from upload file. Empty list for a upload file. So read file into data frame. So there is the read file into a data frame. So there is the read file into a data frame. So what is the use for this? I also the read file in a data frame. So that is explained. So it is a loop through the each upload file. Attempt to read. Attempt to read pd.read.xl. Right now for file in files, it is a read file. So df is a data frame. pd.read.xl. It is the attempt to read the file in a Excel sheet using strip white space from a column name df.column.str.strip. Strip by a white space from a column name for consistency, and there append the data frame to the data frame list, and there are attempt the data frame to the data frame list. Exception as a e. So if any what is the exception? Print under handling. Their file is not a any sequence or any their data is all is invalid your file. So that is a error. So in the 4000 400 So if the file cannot read, if the file cannot read, message written with the status code 400. If your file cannot read, if len validation number of file. So validation number of file is less than greater than 2, more than 2. It's a validation of file. You are upload the file 2 or more than 2. You are not upload the file in a single file. You know it right now. So merge the file based on the column roll number and roll number column. So that is the file. What is the use to this merge file? It is based on the column. Right now it is based on the column roll number. Okay, okay. So merge df equal data frame. This df is the data frame one. Try initialize merge df with the first data frame. Loop through the rest of the data frame and merge them with the merge df is used. On roll number name, merge on a column roll number and name. How order include all row or data frame in none of the missing value. If merging fail, then error message is written with the status code 5000 right now. So there is the exception 5000. Now the next, check if the resulting merge data frame is empty. If merge.df is empty, so the return the message is please check the input file. The merge file is empty. Please check the input file. So there is written is a 400. Save merge data frame to an Excel file and send a response. So why don't I use create in a memory files like a object to temporarily store the Excel file? pd.excel writer write the merge df to Excel file with Excel writer engine. Right now, this is a Excel writer engine to merge a pd.excel writer output engine. So write it index.html is false. Output is 60. Right now, return the file the response. So does it return file the response? I know that is a return file of the response. Return.sound output the download name merge.xl. The data attachment is true. To file is download. Now it is run the application. What the run the application is used? So that is a run the application. So if name run the flags, that is a run the application. There is true. You will run the application. So run the flags app in debug mode, allowing for a real-time error tracking and reloading during the development. Right now, okay. So there is my app.py. It is Python code. I also explained that, also merged that. So okay, we are running. Okay. So also explain index.html. It is for a container, create a container body in JavaScript. This is a merge upload form, upload input label, divide the result is on the script for use get element upload form and submit function and constant is data frame. If there is the merge successful, your file can be downloaded. It is a alert for alert mercy. An error also an error copied. I merge the file and same this file. This is the style and that is a style for my file. So merging zero pending zero box sizing what zero and body container h1 form file label input. This is only related to for the designing for index.html. Bottom result on the top margin top font size. Okay, we run the code. So that is app.py. So we run the python app.py. Enter. So there is a server. So I followed this link. So there is I also using this css for using the this design. Now this design, this design, and html use for this container, this select excel file, this java. It's simple container for use this structure html and css for this design. And now the browse is also go to the in pc files and also select this file. It is used for javascript. And what is the use for python? Python is the merging system used to. So we are going to the browser. There is firstly we check no file selected. Okay, there is no file selected. So we are selected the file from this. So we are okay. So their os marks. OS marks is only this is author by Ravindra Namdev. Okay, OS marks it is only one column has a one column has a OS marks and roll number. Right now only two column and there is DBS marks only two column. So DS marks only two column. If there is a column, either DBMS marks or roll numbers. We are select both file. So click this and click this. Um, click control this, control this. Okay. So both file are selected. Open. So there is also two files selected. Okay, there is a two file. You are also select the more than two, three, four. Your choice. How many file you are selected? I also selected a two file, and there now the and you have the you have to now both file is the extension for Excel. So there is a OS marks Excel, DBS marks dot Excel right now. So we have to click the merge file. Okay, that is I also click the merge file. So there message merge successful. your file has been downloaded. Okay, okay, click OK. We are going to download it. So there's a merge file 60 dot uh, excel. So also open this file. Now where is this file open? This file open is the merge file 60. Okay, click. So now the merge Excel file. So there are DBMS marks, their OS marks, there is name, or there is roll number. So that is merging. All the have merging. You have any amount of data more than 1000, you also merge that. So thank you for watching this video and thank you so much.